It's a very simple exercise. The first one literally just means, it's as simple as this, just hold one note and then we pick the pattern like this. Okay, pattern number one, that is. Now normally what I would do also is, because what we kind of misdo is the quality of the timing on this. So I would probably put a metronome. I'm going to start this at 130 beats, go at a comfortable place, and then work your way up to try and get up to, I can probably hit maybe 204, 205 beats with just that exercise on one note. And what that does, playing fast, actually controls the amount of pick movement where we don't get this kind of thing going on. So that was exercise number one. Here it is to the metronome. Okay, get the idea? Now don't just do a minute, 2 minutes, drill this constantly 4 or 5 minutes at a time, have a little rest, go again. You're building stamina, you're building timing, you're building coordination with this pick, staying in close contact with the string all the time. Because when you're shredding and you're moving sort of from one string to another, you have to be effective and efficient with that movement. Excess movement is going to kill you. So it's all about controlling that movement on this pick and the string, keeping the pick in contact with the string constantly. That's what I'm focusing on there.